Are you tired of turning on Black Ops 2 on your PS3 and all of a sudden you get this screen and it shows that the little loading icon is frozen? Heck, some of you probably don't even get this far. Some of you just get a black screen. Well, let me tell you, I am going to show you how to fix this error on the PlayStation 3 when playing Black Ops 2. So yeah, let's get this started. First thing you want to do is pretty much sign out. You cannot do this if you're signed in. So when you're right here, you want to click sign out, and then after that, then you want to start up Call of Duty Black Ops 2, whether it's disc or digital. After you do that, you start the game. For some odd reason, if you're signed off, it actually lets you load into the main menu. And once you're in the main menu, make sure to go to multiplayer. I have my thing set up as multiplayer to be the main thing that loads up. And after that, you want to go to local and start a match. Now you're probably wondering, well, why don't I start the game? Why don't I play online? If you don't do this step with the local, you better believe it, you are going to be frozen again. Once you do this, you want to end the game. And that's pretty much it. You're done. Then you can play online. While this loads to show you that it does work, I do want to explain something. If you are experiencing this, you're going to have to do this every single time you boot up Black Ops 2, by the way. It's not going to, there's no way to fix this. It's just the sad truth that you're going to have to be doing this every time you try to load up Black Ops 2. So once you get to this menu, leave lobby for the local and then just play online. It is going to ask you to sign in, and pretty much all you do is just sign in. You'll be connecting to online services and you'll be able to be ready to play some Call of Duty Black Ops 2. Now, I do have to mention this one more time, is that you will have to do this every single time you boot up. So that's just something that I really got to mention. Anyways, I hope this video helped you. Until then, I'm out. MP5K, let's go. Let's go. Come on. I'm kind of afraid, actually. I don't want to, I've gone this far. Yo, buddy. Ooh, don't die on me now. Ugh, that was close. Nice, we got this. Okay, let's try to get these kills. Really? Okay. I didn't get nobody there. Okay, let's use this. I got an assist, but I don't want an assist. All right. Well, I got an assist. So I know where they're, because this, I know where they're facing. I just start shooting right away. Because, thank you, buddy. He's AFK. All right. I see you. I'm still checking everywhere. I gotta check all my options. I can't rush it. Last time, I literally in one game, I didn't put. Whoa, buddy, where you going? Don't you want to see? Don't you want to meet my dogs? Oh, I bet you do. Nice, we got the dogs. Oh man, I enjoy the dogs the most because dogs kill while you go kill. Like, you see what I'm saying? Like, I'm killing right now, and my dogs are killing, so we're getting multiple kills.